Time flies when you're having fun supersizing your business. Tweet, 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 tweet. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom, our expression today with respect to time is time flies. Tempus fugit, or something to that effect, was said by Virgil in the 1st century BC. So this is one of those idioms and expressions that's been around for a super duper duper long time. That means it's impacted pretty much everyone on the planet. What does time flies mean? Time flies means time passes. It's inevitable. It passes quickly. And I don't know when you're having fun was added, but even Shakespeare used it in the 1800s. So 1st century BC, Virgil used it in one of his writings. I think it was, I don't remember, Aeneid or something. And then William Shakespeare, and on and on and on. Through the centuries, people have used the expression about time flying, going by quickly, especially when we're doing things that we love. So my question for you today is, what makes time fly for you? What is it that you do that you can do without even hardly thinking about it? Time just passes without you paying attention to it. I know that in my life there have been things that have dragged on. Usually it's a chore or a task that I don't really like doing. I think things like shoveling the barn when I was a little girl. It seemed to take forever because it wasn't the most fun thing to do. But it was fun when we got it done, because then we got to ride the horses. So what are things in your business that you love doing that time flies for? And are you spending the majority of your time actually doing those things in your business? Because that is how you will supersize and grow it. Share in the comments below the things you love to do in your business or otherwise that causes time to just stand still or fly for you, because you don't even realize that you're spending a lot of time doing something because you love it so much. That's it. Have an awesome day. I'll be with you tomorrow with another time-related idiom for the month of October, so we can really, really dig into and understand the importance of time in our businesses and in our lives. Any questions, hit me up. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow.